In a lush, verdant forest, a tiny caterpillar named Callie lived. She was unlike any other caterpillar, for she was covered in spines, sharp and venomous. One day, Callie found a juicy leaf, perfect for her meal. As she began to eat, she noticed a small bird watching her from a nearby branch. The bird, named Peep, was known for his curiosity. He had seen Callie before, but never this close. Peep's heart raced with excitement, and he decided to get closer. As Peep approached, Callie's spines quivered. She knew that if Peep touched her, it would be painful for the bird. But Callie was also hungry and didn't want to lose her meal. Peep, oblivious to the danger, took a step closer. Callie, torn between her hunger and the need to protect herself, hesitated. Suddenly, Peep made a sudden move. Callie, startled, lashed out with her spines. The venom pierced Peep's wing, and he fell to the ground, crying in pain. Callie felt a pang of guilt. She had not meant to hurt Peep, but her actions had led to his pain. From that day on, Callie learned to be more mindful of others, even when she was hungry. The moral of this tale is clear: be mindful of others, even when you're in need. A small act of kindness can go a long way, while a moment of carelessness can cause harm. Always consider the consequences of your actions, and strive to act with compassion.